second
weekend in Miami. Super hot here.
We broke our GoPro, so using our phone instead. It's not gonna be as smooth. It can be a little shaky.
Without the cap, it's not waterproof. Disclaimer.
They should have put it on the disclaimer, right? Who would know?
But we have a GoPro subscription and we're gonna get another GoPro. This place better be open.
Oh yeah, we've been like trying to go to places and we always show up when it's closed. Dezerland. It's
Dezerland.
Dezerland, okay. Always correcting me.
Oh, so cold. Whoa, Back to the Future car. This is a time machine. Oh, it's a card table.
Dezerland was a fun place to spend the whole day in. They have endless activities like trampoline park, playground, VR station, arcade game, and more. Plus, it was close to our home, which was only a 15-minute bus ride.
We're only in third place.
Oh! You guys are... Ah!
Bring the boost up.
That was... Woo! Ah!
Get out of my way.
You can do it!
Get out of my way. Which one do you want to buy? Whoa, look at this Smiles one.
Living in Miami was tough. How other people stay here, we have no idea. The humidity was off the charts, reaching around 90 to 100 Fahrenheit daily. Luckily, we had an AC unit in our apartment, otherwise we could not stand the heat.
It's not pretty? Okay, which one is pretty? Show me.
His eyes.
Oh my god, look at those palm trees.
We rate Miami transportation 4 out of 5. Every bus had AC units, arrived right on time, and pretty clean too. The only downside is there's 30 to 60 minutes waiting period between each arrival depending on the route. So if you miss your bus, oh boy, you'll be waiting for the next one for a while in a burning hot weather.
Монгол хүн баянтай нэг сайхан сүтэ банштай хийж дийтэй. Манай тогож инди.
I feel like I made it too hard.
That's what she said. This is my work of art. Миний тэр хэрцэн сонгон хар таанар зүгээр. Аманд ороод хүн гахаж алахаар сонгонгууд байгаас. Are you good? You're not good? What happened?
I'm bored.
You're bored? Wow.
I mean, which car you want?
Oh. It's working. When you're out of a rolling pin, just buy some small wine bar. In this, he was putting on a lot of dry flour. Like, I don't know why.
Everything is all good. This is beautiful, beautiful dumplings. But then I
It's not beautiful. They're all horrible.
Түрүүний хийсэн баяшуудыг мангуй хурж ирэнгүүтээ зодоо ич.
Yo, аавын чимгэж чадахгүй. Хайгуу чимгэсний хүнтэй болох.
Бидний баяшиг зодоо ячлаа тэр сайхан байна. It's okay. Та нар эцсийн product-ыг хараарай. Okay. Нилээ одоо шимхэж илдэж, зодтолтож нүдэлцээр агаад ийм сайхан маш нэр хийлээ.
And it's ready. Wanna see the one Audrey made? There you go. That's the one Audrey made. And that's the one I made. And did you put all the ugly ones in my... Itadakimasu!
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to continue this journey with us.